Words have power. They inspire, they guide, and they define who we are. In the world of business, there's one sentence that does all of this and more. Your mission statement. Whether you're a startup, a small business, or a global enterprise, a strong mission statement can be the cornerstone of your success. But how do you craft one that truly resonates? Welcome to the Art of Words, how to write the perfect mission statement. Before we dive into the how, let's talk about the why. A mission statement is more than just a set of words. It's the heartbeat of your organization. It tells the world what you stand for, what you're striving to achieve, and why you exist. Companies like Apple, Google, and Nike all have mission statements that aren't just memorable, they're powerful. They attract customers, inspire employees, and align every decision the company makes. But here's the thing, a mission statement isn't just for the big players. It's crucial for businesses of all sizes. It keeps your team aligned, your customers engaged, and your strategy focused. It's your North Star, guiding you through every challenge and opportunity. So what makes a mission statement great? It comes down to 3 key elements: purpose, values, and vision. First, purpose. This is the why behind your business. Why do you exist? What problem are you solving? Your purpose should be clear, compelling, and directly tied to your core business activities. Next, values. These are the principles that guide your business decisions. They reflect what you stand for and how you conduct your business. Your values should resonate with both your team and your customers. And finally, vision. This is where you see your business going in the future. Your vision should be ambitious yet attainable, providing a sense of direction for everyone involved. Now, let's get to the fun part, crafting your mission statement. Here's a simple process to follow. Step 1. Brainstorm. Gather your team and start by discussing your company's purpose, values, and vision. Write down every idea, even the wild ones. This is about capturing the essence of your business, so no idea is too big or too small. Step 2. Refine. Once you have your ideas, start narrowing them down. Look for common themes and powerful language that resonates. Your mission statement should be concise. Aim for 1 to 2 sentences that clearly convey your message. Step 3. Test. Share your draft with your team, stakeholders, and even a few trusted customers. Get feedback on whether it truly represents your business and if it's inspiring. If it needs tweaks, don't be afraid to revise it. Let's look at some examples of great mission statements. Each one is unique, but they all share those key elements: purpose, values, and vision. TED's mission is simple: spread ideas. It's clear, concise, and powerful, perfectly capturing their purpose. Patagonia's mission, "We're in business to save our home planet," is bold and ambitious, aligning their business with their values and vision. Remember, a mission statement is not just a tagline. It's the foundation of your brand and your business strategy. Keep it authentic, keep it clear, and most importantly, keep it inspiring. Now it's your turn. Take the time to craft a mission statement that truly represents who you are and where you're going. When done right, those few words will carry the weight of your entire business journey. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more actionable insights. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.